today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make bulk variations, WooCommerce for beginners. By the end, you'll be able to set up a large batch of product variations quickly and cleanly without typing every option by hand. Start by opening your WooCommerce website and heading to your dashboard. Go to Products, pick the item you want to work on, and click Edit. In the Product Data panel, change the product type to Variable Product. This tells WooCommerce that your item will have multiple options customers can choose from, like sizes, colors, or in our case, sets. Next, switch to the Attributes tab. We'll create the attribute that powers the variations. In the Name field, type sets or whatever label makes sense for your store. In the Values field, we'll add the list of options. To save time, open a new tab and use an AI text generator to create the list for you. Ask it to produce set 1 through set 30, separated by a bar symbol. You'll get a single line that looks like set 1 GA, set 2, set 3, and so on up to set 30. Copy that entire line. Back in WooCommerce, paste the list into the Values field for the sets attribute. Make sure the Used for Variations checkbox is enabled so WooCommerce knows to build variations from this attribute. Then click Save Attributes. If you already had attributes on the product, ensure they're saved before moving on. Now go to the Variations tab. Click Generate Variations and confirm when prompted. WooCommerce will automatically create a variation for every option in your sets attribute. This may take a moment, especially if you're generating a lot of entries. Once it finishes, you'll see all the variations listed. Each one represents a selectable option on the product page. At this point, you can click into any variation to fine-tune details like price, stock status, SKU, or images. That part is optional right now, but it's a good idea to at least set a price and ensure stock is managed correctly before publishing. When you're satisfied, click Update to save your changes. Your product now has bulk variations ready for customers to choose from, and you achieved it without manually typing 30 separate entries. If you ever need to add more sets later, just return to the Attributes tab, append new options using the same bar separator, save attributes, and generate variations again. That's it. You've created bulk variations the smart way, keeping your workflow fast, consistent, and scalable.